The countdown has already begun to the final episode, and it all begins with a special double episode event. In this episode, things have already changed, and an unwelcome visitor returns, and Ishjuma and Marmalade have to take a stand. Can you figure out what they will do next? Find out on a double episode of Cats Everywhere, starting right now.
Hi, I'm John Davis, and this is Puzzle Week. We're counting the ballots for this year's top picks.
Everyone's in? Network time, baby. Dogs and cats everywhere. Ishjuma and Marmalade. What's that you two got?
Well, to answer your question, this is the 2014 Toyota FJ Cruiser Trails Team Ultimate Edition, one of the last 2,500 vehicles made before production in America shut down after 7 fabulous years here.
We had this thing from the very beginning.
Brilliant, you two. You guys are amazing of telling this story of how you got it. Thank you, credits. They all had the V6 engine from the beginning.
They always have.
And it's awesome looking at Jammer. It's a Toro Retro midsize SUV.
What do you think that thing is similar to?
Similar to the Prado Edition Land Cruiser.
You meant the Land Cruiser Prado.
Hey Normie, you better do recalculations on the Motor Week episode from 2006 when the FJ Cruiser came to town.
Sure thing, Daisy.
Guys, you might want to look outside. We have found another evil time machine.
How many more are they gonna keep appearing? Jesus Christ.
Use the ray gun for this land.
Oh, thanks, Leonard. How long did that took me to destroy that 7th time machine?
Well, I think it took you like 30 minutes.
Well, that seems to be the quickest. Am I right? Now, who do you think did this while we were sleeping last night?
Yeah, I think I know. Only come back there while we were sleeping last night.
You meant animatronic. And which animatronic did it?
Was it Springtrap?
Yes, it was. Those animatronics scares my son.
Is it true, Groot?
Yeah, but if they were evil, they're even more scarier.
That makes sense. That makes more sense.
Well, the only way they could be defeated is that, feel it, Alfie. We are destroy the mech with the castle. That kept the animatronics on it and destroy the mech with it too.
That's a good call, Garrett Klein.
7 of these things were just there. So, we got 3 to go, until the evil time machines are no more. Yeppa.
What?
Oh, you got to be kidding. This
What?
Esperanto guy.
I just had about enough of you. Okay, he's dead, alright? We're not gonna be seeing him again. Fucking Esperanto guy, dog, I swear. Oh, Goshen Ziara. What are you doing out here?
What the fuck was all that about?
What do you think?
And what's this annoying Esperanto dickhead doing here?
Well, apparently, he annoys the shit out of us. Ever since he got fired from the plushie agents economy, he still hasn't learned his lesson at all. So I was left no choice. But I have to shot him up.
Can I eat him?
Gosha? No, you can't. I suggest hiding the body somewhere else, because caracows don't eat humans, but tigers and lions attack and eat humans like sharks do.
Oh, okay. Suit yourself. But who's gonna replace this brick?
Should have thought of that moments I had told you this already, Gosha. Red, what do you think?
This one about a year ago. I've always had one in my family. My dad and I picked up one brand new in 1966 and had one or the other of those for many, many years. Here's my daughter Sky. We do this together. We get together and teach Sky about the car. The art of Technica.
Oh, Red, you already think about it. And what is your choice?
I think Garfield is gonna replace him.
Good. Good one. Good thought.
Something's not right.
Well, what do you mean?
Do you think Pumble's gonna be mad when he sees you destroyed 7 of his evil time machines?
Just be honest.
He wouldn't dare! Because he was an evil business caracal who never meows at all. Why? He only hisses. And, newsflash, he once tried to attack a cameraman filming him.
Silvolf do get angry, but don't attack cameramans too hard, but just softly, you know.
You are almost right on the regard, as much as my wife does.
Hold it. Are you still the father of Cletus's?
Well, yes, I still am. Why?
Just curious.
I'm also Cletus's uncle, by the way.
Wait, what?
I never thought I faced the fucking facts.
What, Cheeto?
There's a reason why Pumbaa's an evil cunt. You know, I know you already told the facts of what he did on his TikToks.
Uh-huh. He just doesn't like being filmed as much as his account claims.
Kraven, have you been kidnapped once in your life? Just to ask a question.
No. I don't think so.
Well, that's good. I suggest you...
Well, Landon,
Huh?
I want to let you know that after we move to Stillwater, we're going to build our headquarters and train some folks for the Kitty Scooby Gang.
Oh, well, I'm so glad you get to do that.
Thanks, Landon.
You're welcome, Mike.
Maybe getting a meal, huh?
Yeah, why not? Oh, look what I have.
I love that little gun.
Yeah, thanks, Mike.
That's just the start of all things Australian.
Mm-hmm.
And the hocus pocus witchcraft shit too.
Why do you keep saying hocus pocus witchcraft shit all the time?
Hey, I can't help it, but it's true. I'm a witch.
We all know that, Faye. Willow. Sorry, I keep confusing names. Alright, all of you, you gotta get back to work. I gotta have a meeting with Leonard about what's happening. What is it, Leonard?
I decided to relocate my business soon and renamed it to Leonard Stillwater Garage and shut down the Jonesboro location. Daisy also said she's also building a shoe store of her own next door to the empty bank.
Oh, good idea. Good job on this thing, Muka.
Don't thank me. Thank
thank my brother Alfie too. He knows if I won't be here after my owner's death.
Duh. That's good.
You piece of school, Jose.
Nor would I.
Are you fucking kidding me right now?
Get the fuck out of here right now. You are not welcomed here.
Alfie is right. We thought you agreed to stay away from Tracy.
I wanted to see her because I want answers.
You are a goddamn liar. All you ever did was attack and kidnap Tracy. Not to mention, you even attacked the cameraman on your TikTok videos just because you don't like being filmed. That is why everyone turned on you.
Fuck you! And you destroyed 7 of my time machines I created for my empire!
I don't fucking care. If we destroy them, you have to stop putting them anywhere in this city. What? Oh, I don't think so. Leonard, get down. Bush and Ziara.
Hey, what's with all the commotion?
Papa, have you gone mad? I will not tolerate this assault on the APD.
Shut your hole, you fat bastard. Me and the kid have business to do.
I told you, I'm not fat. I'm a big flopper.
And that's just part 1 of this double episode event, but we'll be right back with part 2 of the double episode event later on.
So let's get right to it with the cars that came out on top this year.
Believe that.
Fuck! Not